Hello everyone, this is Sean from Expert Mechanics at 727 Kipling Avenue, Etobicoke, Ontario, M8Z5G4. And today I'm working on 2021 Ford F150 pickup truck, and we're going to reset the light for oil change reminder. So what you do is you turn on your key here. The car could be running at this time too, it doesn't matter. You could actually start it, it doesn't matter. Then you hit the menu button here, the menu, and you come up to the screen like this, and then you hit the arrow button here, and you scroll down, up and down like that until you come to settings. Oops, I missed it. Go back, settings, hit OK here in the center, and it comes to this menu where it gives you all these options for towing and eco boost and speed and miles or whatever. And then there's a maintenance. So when it comes to the maintenance and it's highlighted, you hit OK button here, and then the oil life comes up. You hit OK, and then mine is already reset to 100%, but you can hit the OK, and in your case it'll show 3% or 10% or whatever. You hit the OK button and see how the bar went across. Let me show you once again, and you hold the OK button and keep holding it, and it will, oh, now it doesn't do it no more because it set it already. So that bar will just highlight all the way across and then say 100%. Thanks for watching. This is Expert Mechanics at 727 Kipling Avenue. Phone number here is 416-201-8600. 416-201-8600. Expert Mechanics. Thank you.